IBM is offering a free data analytics internship in 2024, providing a chance to delve into the world of big data and gain hands-on experience. The International Business Machines Corporation, also known as IBM, is a renowned American multinational technology corporation, leading in computer hardware, middleware, software, and research. The internship role is an application developer, where you transform business needs into code, drive innovation, and have a significant global impact. Eligibility includes an understanding of cloud infrastructure and computing, some programming languages, and AI, willingness to work in 24/7 work operations, and good analytical skills. The intern's role includes focusing on objectives, contributing to professional effectiveness, and possessing key competencies including understanding of cloud computing, programming languages, and good analytical skills. IBM strives for a diverse environment and offers equal opportunity. The internship is full-time, located in Kolkata and Pune, India. Applicants will work on real-world challenges using data analysis skills, gaining hands-on experience, learning from industry experts, boosting their resume, and exploring diverse career paths. How to apply? Click on the link mentioned in description.